And y'all saw me struggling in the other video. Y'all didn't even tell me that there were magnetic lashes out, but I found them. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel and I'm back with another video. I know you guys saw the title, so you already know what's up. Today we are trying something different. I saw these in Target yesterday, and these are the Kiss magnetic lashes. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to try those. I don't know if you guys saw my last attempt applying false lashes. I will link it above just in case you missed it, but it was a struggle. So I was like, hey, these may be a great product for me. The box states that there's 5 magnets. It has a secure hold, long lasting, reusable, no smudge, biotin infused formula. And again, these are supposed to be new, as it states here. Well, these are the style Charm. So I didn't want anything too crazy, but these look like they're cute. So we're gonna see. Hopefully this won't be a fail. So line, lash, and then done. So I already have on eyeliner, so I don't know how this is gonna work. It shouldn't affect it at all, but we're gonna see. So the instructions state to put on the magnetic liner first, allow it to dry, and then put the lashes on top of the eyeliner. So it says, if needed, trim completely to the next magnet so that the lash band starts and ends with a magnet. So that is a very good tip. To remove it, you just take a wet cotton swab or an oil-based makeup remover and just gently wipe it away. And like I said, these are supposed to be reusable. So we shall see. And these were $15.49. I don't know if you guys can see that. So $15. Supposed to be reusable. It doesn't say how many times you can reuse it. I guess that's based upon your discretion. So when you take it out the box, this is what it looks like. This gives you guys a better picture of the lashes as well. And again, these are the style Charm. So the eyeliner won't be a problem for me. I know some people don't like to use liquid eyeliner, but I use that anyway. So let's see. Take these glasses off, put this hair back behind the shoulder. Alright, so this is what the bottle looks like. So let's see what the wand looks like. And so right off the bat, I can tell that it's the one that I would like. This is something like the one that I use. I like the e.l.f. liquid eyeliner, and this is very similar to that, as well as the NYC. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try this. So I'm trying to make sure I have the eyeliner across my entire eyelid, near the lash line, so that the magnets will attach properly. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. And it seems to dry pretty fast. I'm just going back over with the second coat. Alright, so we have the eyeliner done. Yes, it doesn't seem too different from my regular eyeliner, so I do like that, and it's very black, which I like as well. So we're gonna go ahead and start with the lashes. This is the lash tool that I'm using, and I'm gonna try to let you guys see the magnets on here. Hopefully you can. If you can see those black kind of like dots almost along the lash line, those are actually the magnets. Alright guys, I'm back. So I did apply 3 coats as stated on the instructions. I did apply a little bit of mascara to my lashes just to brush them out. And I'm going to go ahead and start with the first application. And I do want to try to let you guys see the magnets that are here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay, so alright, so I have them on. I'm just making sure it's close enough to the lash line. And that was very simple. Alright guys, so we have one eye down. Let's go ahead and do the other one. Taking it from here again, as I showed you guys before. Starting on the end. Boy, they do attach fast, I will say that. That was really easy. So these are the lashes, guys. Something real cute, not too extravagant. Something, you know, to give me a little flair, you know. And I really do like them. They don't feel uncomfortable. They feel, I don't even feel them, like, to be honest. And I really do like that. My first impression is that these are lit. This was so convenient for me. I did a video a while ago about my first attempt applying lashes, which I will link above. In that video, I used my girl K-Doll Glamour lashes. Those are super, super, super cute. She also has units, press-on nails, lip glosses. Y'all go check her out. I will leave her site linked in the description below, so guys, definitely go check her out. I wanted to try these magnetic lashes just to get me in the habit of applying lashes. I had a little bit of a struggle the last time I tried them. This is only my second attempt, but these were very easy to do because of the magnets, obviously. But y'all, I really do like these. And so y'all know what's next. We got to do our glasses test because we gotta wear the glasses. I don't do contacts, so let's see how they look with the glasses. Girl, yes, they passed the glasses test, y'all. So that means I can wear these on a regular basis. And y'all, oh, I'm feeling these. I am feeling these. Let me just take these off so y'all can just get into it. But I really do like these. I would definitely wear these again. Like I said, these are multiple use. And again, these are by the brand Kiss magnetic lashes. They have a magnetic liner that was included. I did not need to trim them or anything. The lash line fit mine perfectly. And yeah, I highly recommend. So Kiss, if you're watching, go ahead and send me some other products to review for you guys. I love these magnetic lashes. My email is in the description below. I will be looking out for you guys. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you like this video, definitely give me a thumbs up down below. Also, leave me a comment to let me know what you guys think about these. Have you ever tried magnetic lashes before? How do they look on me? Let your girl know. And before you leave, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button down below. I do upload weekly here on this channel. Make sure to hit that bell so that you get the notification as soon as I drop another video. And again, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in another video.